This is a video to practice Musette on page 9. Here we are still in the key of D major, which has the sharps F sharp and C sharp. So you have the high 2 on the D string, which sounds like this. This is the F sharp. Then you have the high 1 on the E string, which sounds like this. That's the F sharp high. And then it's not on here, but let's play a C sharp. That's a high 2 on the A string. It sounds like this. So F sharp, high 2 on the D string. That's an F sharp. The higher octave F sharp is on the E string, and its first finger sounds like this. And then the C sharp is second finger on the A string, and it sounds like this. All right, so we just played all the sharps in a D major scale. We did not play the C sharp on the G string. Right there. We can do that later. So let's go ahead and practice Musette. This is 4/4 time signature, so 4 beats in 1 bar. Let's get started after 4 counts, please. Violin is up. Make sure your hand position looks like this. Your bow hold is ready. I'm going to put the bow on the A string, and I'm looking ahead that I will be crossing over to the D string at the half of the bar, middle of the bar. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cross A string, cross the D string, line 3, A string, D string, 3, 2, 1, 0. 1. Freeze. I'm going to practice now this descending 8 notes, G, F sharp, E, D. We're going to start an up bow. That G is third finger on the D string, and all we're doing is going 3, 2, 1, open D, right? 3, 2, 1, open D. So all I'm doing is lifting my fingers one by one. Let's start on the up bow. Here we go. We are going to do this with half notes, 2 beats per each note, starting on note G, third finger on the D string. Here we go. 3, 4, G. Lift your third finger, F sharp, second finger, lift second, 1. One more time. I'm going to put my first, second, and third. Look that my second and third are touching. These are half steps. F sharp and the note G on the D string are half steps, so they are touching. One more time. Start at the up bow at the tip, please. 3, 4. Third finger, second finger, F sharp. First finger, E. Open D. Now, if we play this faster in tempo at 8 notes, it will go like this. One more time. Up bow. Up. Ready. Go. So each day, please practice this about at least, I would say 20 times, right? In order, going from very slow to a little bit faster every day. So by the end of the week, it gets much easier to play this descending line, and by the next class, you can play the piece from the beginning to the ending without stopping too much. Have fun playing Musette.